What's up mga ka-Chismax? No? Ngayon, no, meron tayong magandang pag-uusapan, no? Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ate pag-usapan. Let's go!
What is Web3? Explained in 1 minute. In Web 1, most people only read content that was published on the internet. In Web 2, people were able to now read, write, and edit their own content. Centralized platforms managed by big corporations made it easy to do that. You can create a video and upload it to a streaming platform. However, even though you created the video, the company, not you, decides the rules, often without your consent. They can determine if you should get a share of the ad revenue, if any, or remove your content and censor your video. In Web3, we can read, write, and own our content. Networks are no longer managed by big corporations. Instead, the internet platform ownership and functionality is decided by the users rather than big corporations through decentralized blockchain technology. Now your video can be uploaded to a decentralized streaming platform. Through ownership tokens, you can vote on decisions made, and users, not companies, determine the rules, policies, and procedures.
Well explained, guys. Ito, no? Mabanggit ko lang, no? Dito na yung papasok yung tinatawag na peer-to-peer network. Ibig sabihin yan, no? Yung connection mo sa tao. Therefore, yung transaction mo sa tao, wala nang middleman, no? Rekta. Kaya sinasabi nilang decentralized itong Web3, no? And for me, no, I would say na mas secure nga to, no? More secure, more transparent ang mga transaction. At ito ay ginagamitan nga ng makabagong teknolohiya, which is the blockchain technology na tinatawag, no? Therefore, wala nang middleman, no? Walang bangko, walang tao, no, na magbe-middleman, no, dadaanan pa, kundi rekta ang transaksyon. So ano sa tingin nyo mga ka-Chismax, no, dito sa Web3? I think this is much more dependable, reliable when it talks about, when it concern, no, as far as the security is concerned, no, yung transparency, no, makikita natin dito rekta eh. So possible na sa internet yung peer-to-peer network, no. So ano masasabi nyo dito? Comment down below mga ka-Chismax, no. For me, I would say na we have to use this, no, it will generate a lot of work, opportunity, and of course, no, kailangan lang nating maging familiar and practice in a sense. Therefore, magge-generate to naman namin trabaho, no, this 2025, no. So kailangan lang natin pag-aralan ng gusto. Yung, I think yung ibang tao ba hindi pa ma-familiar, no. So kailangan natin ikalat, ika nga, no, for them to study, no, to research as well, no, and of course kailangan pag-aralan nila maigi. So comment down below mga ka-Chismax, no. Muli po, ito po Cesar Castillo Jr. nagsabi, tirahin mo na yan at baka tirahin pa niba. Until next time, Chismax with the facts. Peace out.